My name is Jamie Denny. I'm from Enid, Oklahoma. I've had fibromyalgia for 10 years. I had pretty much chronic pain, chronic fatigue, migraines, irritable bowel, pain that seemed to move all over different times. I would continually flare, but my pain was pretty much, I would give it a level of 10 when I got here. I've been here 8 weeks. I'm fixing to go home on Saturday. My first week that I was here, I expected to flare, but I didn't, which was really surprising. I'm basically 100% pain-free, no pain. I still have a few things related with fibro, so I would say overall my fibromyalgia is 98% gone. I'm sleeping really good, and I still have a little bit of fatigue, but like when I rest, I actually recover. Instead of being down for the whole day, I can go rest for a couple hours, and then I'm fine. After that, I can get up and go walking. We've been walking 2 miles a day pretty much since about my 3rd week. We walked to a pier down by the Blue Bistro and then back to the hotel, which is really beautiful. I haven't had any migraines since I started my adjustments. I've had a few headaches, but they were just regular headaches, and I didn't have to take anything for them to go away. I waited, and after a couple hours they went away, so that's a big step for me. I'm not taking any pain medicine or any antidepressants. I'm still taking like one muscle relaxer, and I hope to be cutting that really soon. You just have to go off of something so gradually that in 8 weeks it's hard to get off of everything. I know that a lot of people are skeptical. I was when I first came, but don't be afraid to hope. It's really worth the trip to come out here. I feel like I'm starting a new life, and I'm going to go back to my family and be able to just start new for my kids, and I'm really looking forward to it.